Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Toyota Kluger GX, stock reference number 5642. The shape runs from the 11th month 2016 through to the 2nd month 2021. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one large dent. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, standard heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.